Introducing the 2024 seat Tarraco 2.0 TDI 150HPDSG FRTE, a powerhouse of a vehicle ready to conquer any road. With a sleek black exterior, this estate Jeep is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning, this car provides both comfort and safety. The interior boasts third-row seats and a luxury trim for a truly luxurious experience. And with security features like multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Contact us at spiritmotorgroup.ie or visit our website for more information on making this incredible 2024 seat Tarraco yours today.